Good morning. Today we will start our second unit, and our second unit is MOSFET circuit. In today's lecture, we have to see about the MOSFET as a switch, MOSFET as a diode, MOSFET as a active resistor. We wait for other student for 1 minute. So in today's session, we have to see about MOSFET as a switch, MOSFET as a diode, and MOSFET as an active resistor. We know we are using MOSFET as a switch. Why we can use MOSFET as a switch? Because if MOSFET is in a saturation region, at that time what is happening? The value of current is remaining constant. So in that region, we can use MOSFET as an amplifier. But if we are not giving any input voltage to the gate to source terminal, at that time what will happen? We are not getting any value of a current. It is nothing but we can use MOSFET as a open switch. मतलब वहां पे हमें करंट का वैल्यू मिल नहीं रहा है, इसलिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? मॉसफेट को एज अ ओपन स्विच वी कैन यूज. एंड इन ट्रायोड रीजन व्हाट विल हैपन? द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट इंक्रीजेस with increase in VGS when the value of VGS is greater than threshold voltage. At that time, we can use MOSFET as a closed switch. It means what? We can use MOSFET as a switch. We know we are using diode also as a switch. Diode को भी हम switch बोल के use करते हैं. Why? Because in diode there is only one junction, because we are taking one p type of semiconductor with n type of semiconductor. My screen is visible and my voice is audible to everyone. Please respond anyone, then I will continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can mute yourself. तो जो डायोड है वो क्या है? डायोड जो है उसमें एक जंक्शन होता है, बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग वन पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर विथ वन एन टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. सो वी कैन यूज diode as a switch, because in diode what will happen? Diode will allow to flow in current only in one direction, and it will not allow to flow in current in opposite direction. Forward रहेगा forward direction में, reverse diode if you are using, then it will allow to flow current only in reverse direction. So we are using this switch. We are using diode as a switch, we are using MOSFET as a switch, we are using also resistor also. Why we are using resistor? Because we know if there is a large amount of current is flowing and we do not require that much current, then what will happen? If we are using resistor, then it will oppose to the extra current. It means what? We can use also resistor as MOSFET as a resistor, because in many of circuit we require resistor to use. That's why we are using MOSFET as a diode, MOSFET as a resistor, and MOSFET as a switch. If instead of resistor, if we use MOSFET as a resistor, what will happen? If you compare MOSFET with respect to resistor, then the space required will be very less. जो resistor को जितना space लगता है, instead तुम resistor की जगह MOSFET use कर रहे हो, तो क्या हो जाएगा? तुमको जो space लगता है, that space will required will be very less. Also very less power dissipation, because as instead of resistor we use MOSFET as a resistor, then the value of power dissipations will be very less. And as we are getting a less power dissipation, there will be less temperature effect, and due to which we can neglect the use of heat sink. क्योंकि जब हम रेजिस्टर यूज करते हैं तो क्या होता है? पावर डिसिपेशन ज़्यादा होता है. उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? एज देयर इज अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ पावर डिसिपेशन, वी विल गेट देयर higher amount of heat generated, and to reduce the effect of that heat we have to use the heat sink. इसलिए हम यदि रेजिस्टर की जगह MOSFET एज अ रेजिस्टर यूज करेंगे तो हमें क्या हो जाएगा? उसका जो वैल्यू है पावर डिसिपेशन का वो कम हो जाएगा. उसकी वजह से we can remove or we can neglect the use of heat sink. And if we use the active resistor, it means what? If we are using MOSFET as active resistor, then this resistor can be used to convert output current into a output voltage, because according to Ohm's law we know I equal to V by R. It means what? We can convert here output current into a output voltage. मतलब हम जो I इक्वल टू V बाय R था उसको क्या कर सकते हैं आउटपुट वोल्टेज में, बिकॉज हमें करंट का वैल्यू पता है रेजिस्टर का, तो वी कैन कन्वर्ट करंट इनटू अ आउटपुट वोल्टेज. That's why we are using MOSFET as a switch, MOSFET as a diode, and MOSFET as a resistor. We will see one by one. In the late 70s, the era of large-scale integration and the very large-scale integration began. NMOS became the fabrication technology of a choice. But instead of NMOS or a PMOS, latter, the design flexibility and other advantages of CMOS were realized. Because the main advantages of a CMOS over the NMOS or a bipolar technology, if you see, it is having smaller power dissipations. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are using here CMOS technology. Why we are using CMOS technology? We are using MOSFET as a diode, MOSFET as a resistor, MOSFET as a switch. But to use MOSFET as these components, which technology we are using? We are using CMOS technology. CMOS is nothing but it is the complementary metal oxide semiconductor in which we use NMOS as well as a PMOS, and we are using CMOS technology over a bipolar technology or over a NMOS technology, because the power dissipation with CMOS is very less. Power is only dissipated in the circuit actually switches. It means what? If instead of MOSFET as a switch, transistor as a switch, you use direct switch, that time there will be power dissipation. But we are using here MOSFET as a switch, so here power dissipation is less. This allows integrating more CMOS gates on an IC than in NMOS or in a bipolar technology. उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? We are building lots of transistor on a IC, and as here is a power dissipation is less, therefore we can use number of CMOS on a IC. That's why we are using here CMOS technology over a NMOS technology, because here smaller transistor size and lower power dissipation of CMOS technology is having advantages over the NMOS circuit. That's why we are using here CMOS circuit instead of the NMOS circuit. We will see firstly MOSFET as a switch. MOSFET switch find many applications in analog and the digital circuit. जैसे हमें फैन ऑन करना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? स्विच का यूज करते हैं. We do lots of things by using the switch. So MOSFET switches are having lots of applications in analog as well as in digital circuits. Few of main areas of IC fabrication where MOSFET is used as a switch. If you see the areas where we are using MOSFET as a switch, like a multiplexing, demultiplexing, modulation, in this technique also there is a need of switch. So we can use here MOSFET as a switch. If instead of this diagram, instead of MOSFET as a switch, if you use directly switch, what will happen? The resistance of normal non-ideal switch will be zero. It means what? Here the resistance between two terminals of a non-ideal switch will be zero. Which resistance? The input resistance. हम यदि ये MOSFET की जगह directly if you are using switch, at that time what will happen? मतलब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? MOSFET को स्विच बोल के यूज करने की जगह डायरेक्ट हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट में स्विच होता है. या फिर हमारे पास डायोड होता है, पीएन जंक्शन डायोड, उसे भी हम एज अ स्विच यूज कर सकते हैं। तो यदि मॉसफेट की जगह हम यदि नॉन आइडियल स्विच यूज कर रहे हैं, जिसे हम क्लोज और ओपन करते हैं, तो वहां पे क्या होता है, इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू 0 होता है और आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द नॉन आइडियल switch will be infinite. It means what? The value of this resistance will changes with a terminal voltage. Ideally, these things will not happen. Also, if you see about the capacitance, then the capacitance from the terminal will be 0 and the parasitic capacitance for the non-ideal will be infinite, due to which we are not getting actual switch as a closed switch and switch as a open switch operations if you are using normal switch. That's why we are using here MOSFET as a switch, क्योंकि उनका इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस जो होता है 0 होता है, आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस इन्फिनाइट होता है, पैरासिटिक कैपेसिटेंस जो होता है वो भी इन्फिनाइट होता है। एंड हियर इफ यू सी लीकेज करंट, we are saying ideally its value is 0, but if you see in a non-ideal switch, then leakage current is not 0. That's why we cannot use here non-ideal switch. So leakage current means what? Leakage current is the current flowing from either AC or a DC circuit if it is not connected to the ground. It means what? If there is not properly grounded, at that time there is a leakage current. मतलब हम जब वो सर्किट का ग्राउंड जो कनेक्ट करते हैं, वी आर गिविंग पॉजिटिव सप्लाई, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी डू, पॉजिटिव सप्लाई जो होता है वो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल के स्विच को कनेक्ट करते हैं और निगेटिव जो होता है उसको हम ग्राउंड बोलते हैं। इफ वी आर नॉट मेकिंग ग्राउंड प्रॉपरली, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, देयर विल बी लीकेज करंट विल बी क्रिएटेड। मतलब ये जो ग्राउंड होता है वो यदि प्रॉपरली नॉन आइडियल स्विच में नहीं हुआ तो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन होता है, वहां पे वी विल we will get their leakage current. That's why we cannot use non-ideal switch. So if you use MOSFET as a switch, we will see what will happen. If you are using MOSFET as a switch and if you are not giving any input voltage, ये जो VI है, this is nothing but VGS. This is the gate terminal, this is the source terminal, and this is the drain terminal. If you are not giving any input voltage, if you are not giving any VGS and its value is less than threshold voltage, if you are giving small amount of VGS and its value is smaller than threshold voltage, और तुम यहाँ पे कोई भी input voltage नहीं दे रहे हो, तो at that time what will happen, channel will not create. At that time channel will not created. That's why the ID current will be 0. There will be no amount of current will flow. That's why we can use here switch as a off condition. It means what? We can use here कट ऑफ रीजन में हम क्या करते हैं, स्विच को ऑफ कंडीशन में यूज करते हैं। दिस इज द ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स विच वी आर शोइंग हियर, आउटपुट वोल्टेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इनपुट वोल्टेज। अब तुम बोलोगे कि मैम जब हम आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स का ग्राफ निकालते हैं तो हमें कट ऑफ रीजन में वोल्टेज यहाँ मिलता ही नहीं है। ये आईडी करंट का इनपुट वोल्टेज के साथ ग्राफ नहीं है। ये कौन सा ग्राफ है, हियर इज द ग्राफ ऑफ आउटपुट वोल्टेज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इनपुट वोल्टेज। इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ इनपुट वोल्टेज इज लेस देन द थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज, ये यहाँ पे थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज है इनपुट वोल्टेज का। ऑन एक्स एक्सिस आई एम ड्रॉइंग अ input voltage, this is the VGS, and on y axis we are taking here output voltage, this is nothing but the VDS. So what will happen if the value of VGS is less than threshold, ये यहाँ तक threshold से कम है, at that time what will happen, channel will not get induced, that's why the current will be 0. That's why we can use here MOSFET as a closed switch. We can use here MOSFET as a closed switch. If you see, the switch remains in off conditions with ID equal to 0, because here if you calculate the value of if you use KVL for this output voltage, what will happen? You will get VO equal to, VO is nothing but VDS. It means what? VO equal to VDS equal to VDD minus ID RD. But we are getting here ID equal to 0. So output voltage VO equal to VDS equal to VDD. This is the equations we will get for MOSFET as a open switch. And if switch is in off condition, when switch will be in off condition? If you are giving input voltage and its value is greater than threshold voltage. यहाँ पे यदि देखोगे तो इनपुट वोल्टेज का वैल्यू क्या हो गया है, थ्रेशोल्ड से ज्यादा है. What will happen here? Device heavily enter in a on condition, resulting operation close to point C. If you see here, यहाँ पे जो होता है, ये जो है ट्रायोड रीजन है. This is the non-saturation region, and this is the saturation. But if you see here, here what is happening here? A से B के बीच में क्या हो रहा है? When the value of input voltage is greater than threshold voltage, but its value is less than VOB plus VTN, the value of output voltage, if you see with comparison with input voltage, it is going less. Yeah, and how it is going? It is going linearly. But after B point, if the value of input voltage reaches greater than VOB plus a VTN. VTN is nothing but threshold voltage, and VOB is a biasing voltage. It means what? If the value of input voltage is greater than threshold voltage and it will reaches to VDD, device will enter heavily in switch on condition. ये जो MOSFET है, it will enter into the switch on condition and resulting in operation close to point C. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? MOSFET जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे close switch में हो जाएगा. When the input value of voltage reaches to greater than threshold voltage plus biasing voltage. ये जो output biasing का voltage रहेगा, VOB is nothing but output biasing voltage. If it reaches greater than threshold voltage, then here MOSFET will enter into the closed switch. That's why we can use here MOSFET as a closed switch. And if you see here, we are getting ID is very high. ये तो मैंने आउटपुट वोल्टेज और इनपुट वोल्टेज का ग्राफ निकाला. If you see about the current, the value of current in a saturation region, we are getting constant. But triode region में जब value of VGS greater हो जाता है, at that time what is happening? Value of current is increasingly linearly. That's why here we can call like a MOSFET, we can work as a closed switch. Here we are getting higher amount of drain current, or we can say here we are getting value of output resistance is very less. यहाँ पे आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस का जो वैल्यू रहेगा, we will get very less. That's why we are getting the value of output current very high. So we can use here MOSFET as a open switch. And if you calculate the output resistance, its value will be R, and its value is very less. And this resistance will be resistance of a channel, because if you increase the value of VGS and its value is greater than threshold voltage, at that time channel will get induced and the output resistance will be resistance of that channel, and the value of RD and RS will be very less in comparison with the resistance of a channel. So we can take directly RO as a R plus RDS, RD plus RS लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, because ये जो ड्रेन है उसका रेजिस्टेंस और सोर्स का रेजिस्टेंस इन कंपैरिजन विद द चैनल रेजिस्टेंस, दिस वैल्यू विल बी वेरी लेस. सो वी कैन टेक डायरेक्टली RO इक्वल टू, we can take here the resistance, and that will be resistance of a channel. और MOSFET जब open switch है तब हमें क्या हो रहा था, इन्फिनाइट रेजिस्टेंस मिल रहा था बिकॉज ड्रेन करंट का वैल्यू 0 था. और जब MOSFET एज अ क्लोज स्विच है तब रेजिस्टेंस जो है, द रेजिस्टेंस दैट विल बी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द चैनल. So like this we can use MOSFET as a switch. And if you use MOSFET as a switch, resistance between two terminal is very large. ये जो ड्रेन और सोर्स के बीच का है, इफ यू आर यूजिंग MOSFET as a switch, and there is a question like explain the advantages of MOSFET as a switch in VLSI. तो यदि हम नॉन आइडियल स्विच इफ यू आर यूजिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ अ MOSFET स्विच, तो उसका जो रेजिस्टेंस होता है वो क्या होता है, उसका वैल्यू इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू जो होता है कम होता है और आउटपुट का ज्यादा होता है. उसके बाद पावर डिसिपिएशन ज्यादा है, उसकी वजह से हमें हिट सिंक लगता है. बट इफ यू कंपेयर विथ MOSFET as a switch, what is happening, we are getting here lower power distribution. That's why we can neglect the use of heat sink. And resistance between two terminals, this is nothing but the R of resistance in between drain to source. When we are using MOSFET as a open switch, we can call this resistance as a R of, because current flow nahi ho raha hai. So what we'll say, the value of output current is 0. The value of output current is 0. That's why we will get here output resistance infinite when we are using MOSFET as a open switch. And it is seen that lower value of input resistance is achieved with larger value of W by L. W by L is nothing but width of channel, and L is nothing but length of channel. If you see the input and output characteristics of a MOSFET as a switch, you guys can see here, this is the input voltage with respect to the output voltage. ये जो ग्राफ था वही ग्राफ मैंने फिर से निकाला है, आउटपुट वोल्टेज और इनपुट वोल्टेज का. एंड दिस इज द input output characteristics. It means what, the value of output current, drain current, ID current is draw on y axis, and on x axis we are drawing here VGS and the VDS. यहाँ पे VDS है with comparison VGS के वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ लिखे हैं. VGS firstly V1 plus 1, then V1 plus 2, I have taken this value. If you see, the sharpness of transition region increases with increasing load resistance. As we are increasing the value of load resistance, we will get the sharpness of the transition region. And if you see here, the minimum output voltage or the logic 0 level for the high input impedance decreases with increasing load resistance. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जैसे जैसे लोड रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ रहा है उसके साथ ट्रांजिशन रीजन जो है, इफ यू सी, वी आर गेटिंग द हायर अमाउंट ऑफ आईडी करंट. एंड इफ द मिनिमम आउटपुट वोल्टेज, यहाँ पे मिनिमम आउटपुट वोल्टेज है, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, फॉर हाई इनपुट डिक्रीजेस विथ इंक्रीजिंग लोड रेजिस्टेंस. इफ यू सी हियर, लोड रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू जो है मैंने कैसे किया है, आई हैव टेकन हियर 20 किलो ओम, फिर मैंने यहाँ 50 लिया है, फिर 20 लिया है, यहाँ 5 किलो ओम लिया है. तो जैसे जैसे लोड रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है, इफ यू सी यहाँ पे फर्स्ट जो है ये पिंक वाला ग्राफ 5 किलो ओम, उसके बाद 20, उसके बाद 50. तो जैसे जैसे रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे आउटपुट वोल्टेज डिक्रीज हो रहा है. इट मीन्स व्हाट, आउटपुट वोल्टेज विल डिक्रीज विथ इंक्रीज इन रेजिस्टेंस. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जैसे जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लोड रेजिस्टेंस के वैल्यू इंक्रीज किए हैं, मैंने यहाँ पे लोड रेजिस्टेंस के वैल्यू जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज किए हैं, वी आर गेटिंग द हायर अमाउंट ऑफ द आईडी करंट. जब मैं लोड रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू बढ़ा, दिस आर द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फॉर द NMOS इन्वर्टर विथ अ resistor load. Now we will see about the MOSFET as a diode. We can use MOSFET as a diode. When we can use MOSFET as a diode? If gate of MOSFET is connected to the drain of MOSFET. Then we can use MOSFET as a diode with the characteristics similar to PN junction diode. But PN junction diode जो है, we are getting only one junction, and in PN junction diode current is flow in only one direction. Instead of PN junction diode, if you are using MOSFET as a diode, then there we will get two junctions, and we can make switch on and off according to our wish. It means what? We are having lots of advantages of MOSFET as a diode with comparison with the PN junction diode, because in MOSFET as a diode we are getting here two junction, and if you connect gate terminal of MOSFET to the drain terminal of MOSFET, then we can use MOSFET as a diode. Even though there is nothing like a diode, if you see the diagram, I will show you. Even though this circuit MOSFET, ये मैंने NMOS के लिए ड्रॉ की, ये मैंने PMOS के लिए ड्रॉ की, और मैंने ये आउटपुट करंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इनपुट वोल्टेज और थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज से यदि कम वैल्यू रहेगा वोल्टेज का, तो देयर वी विल नॉट गेट एनी अमाउंट ऑफ करंट, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन दिस इन द ऑपरेशन ऑफ MOSFET already. So the characteristics graph will remain same, but what is happening here, if you connect gate terminal with the source terminal, then we can use MOSFET as a diode. ये मैंने P टाइप के लिए निकाला है, ये N चैनल है, दिस इज द P चैनल इनहांसमेंट MOSFET. क्या किया है मैंने, गेट जो है इफ यू आर कनेक्टिंग टू द ड्रेन टर्मिनल, देन वी कैन यूज MOSFET एज अ डायोड. इवन though there is nothing like a diode, but we can use this terminology of a MOSFET as a diode. It can be used as a constant voltage source, constant current source, or a load resistance in a amplifier. If you compare MOSFET diode with a PN junction diode, then जो डायोड जो होता है नॉर्मल पीएन जंक्शन डायोड, दिस इज द करंट कंट्रोल. बट इफ यू सी MOSFET as a diode, this can be used as a current control, this can be used as a voltage control, or we can use it is as a load resistance in an amplifier. That's why we are using MOSFET as a diode. क्योंकि MOSFET as a diode जब यूज कर रहे हैं, we can use it is as a voltage control device. We can control the output voltage by controlling input voltage. और डायोड में जो होता है, हमें यदि आउटपुट वोल्टेज कंट्रोल करना है तो what we have to do, we have to control the current. और डायोड जो होता है, क्या होता है उसमें, करंट जो फ्लो होता है, करंट विल फ्लो ओनली इन वन डायरेक्शन इन द नॉर्मल PN जंक्शन डायोड. बट MOSFET जो होता है, हाउ वी कैन यूज MOSFET as a diode, and we can call this diode as a current control device, as well as we can use MOSFET as a diode as a voltage control device. When we have to use MOSFET as a diode, what we have to do, we have to connect gate terminal to the drain terminal of a MOSFET. Then we can use MOSFET as a diode. What we are doing here, we are shorting the gate with a drain. मैंने दोनों को एक साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया. We can call this is the short circuit. It means what? When the drain and gate terminal of a MOSFET are shorted, then we can call this circuit as a MOSFET as a diode for the N channel, and this is the MOSFET for the P channel. And if you see the operations, when the gate is connected to the drain of enhancement MOSFET will always work in a saturation region. क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं यहाँ पे, जब वैल्यू ऑफ इनपुट वोल्टेज विल बी ग्रेटर देन VGS एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ VDS रीचेस टू VGS माइनस VTH, ये यहाँ पे लिखा है मैंने, VDS is greater than or equal to VGS minus VTH. At that time, channel will pinch off. We are calling this region as a pinch off region. And here value of ID current will not further increase, the value of ID current will remain constant. So here the value of current is remaining constant, we are calling this region as the saturation region. तो इसलिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, if you see when we connect drain of MOSFET to the gate of MOSFET, At that time, we are shorting gate terminal of MOSFET with drain terminal. Then MOSFET will work in a saturation region when the value of VDS is greater than equal to VGS minus threshold voltage. If you are writing in terms of drain and source, तो मैं इसको क्या लिख सकती हूँ? VD minus VDS. We have seen about the node analysis in electrical circuit. तो मुझे यदि वो VDS का लिया है तो मैं डायरेक्टली इंडिविजुअल ड्रेन और सोर्स के कंपैरिजन में लिख सकती हूँ VD minus VS, और ये GS को क्या लिख सकती हूँ? VG minus VS, and VT will be as it is. If you see VS is common in both sides, you can remove this, so we can write VD minus VG is greater than minus VT. फिर मुझे इसको नोड के कंपेयर में लिखना है, तो I can write the combined equation for the voltage as a VD, and its value is greater than threshold voltage. It means what? Whatever will be the value of VD, this equation will remain constant. मतलब क्या होता है? The value of VD, if you change, this equation remains will constant. क्योंकि क्या है, यदि ड्रेन और सोर्स का जो वोल्टेज है, we can write individually VD minus VS. यहाँ पे वैल्यूज कुछ भी लिखोगे, you can convert this equation into this equation. It means what? Here we can use MOSFET as a diode, because here MOSFET always remaining in the saturation region, and here the value of VDG is greater than equal to minus VT. It means what? Here we can use diode as a saturation region. It means we can use here MOSFET in saturation region, and which will work as a diode. Since the value of threshold voltage is greater than 0 for enhancement device, then VDG will 0 satisfies condition for VDG. We know the value of input voltage will be greater than threshold voltage. At that time only MOSFET will remain in a saturation region. तो हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? If the value of threshold voltage is 0, if the value of threshold voltage will be greater than 0, at that time what will happen? If this value is greater than 0, then we can say the value of VDG will 0, and these equations will be satisfied for the MOSFET as a saturation region, because we know the value of threshold voltage will always greater than 0. यहाँ पे threshold voltage का value जो होता है always greater than 0 होता है. And if you solve the mathematical equations for the MOSFET as a diode, then we are getting VDS is greater than VGS minus VTH when we can work MOSFET in a saturation region. At that time, if you calculate this equation, we are getting VDG is greater than VTH. And if the value of threshold voltage is higher than 0, we can get here VDG equal to 0. It means what? At that time also equation is satisfied. Means these equations will satisfy in each and every condition. Whatever the value of VD, these equations will always satisfy. And here we can use MOSFET in saturation, and we can use MOSFET as a diode. These are the mathematical equations for the output curve. How does MOSFET diode compare with PN junction diode? If you see this diagram, what we are saying, we can see here output voltage can be controlled with W by L ratio. मतलब जैसे जैसे रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे आउटपुट वोल्टेज वो कम हो रहा है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? वी कैन कंट्रोल द वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट वोल्टेज with value of W by L. It means what? The comparison is basically the difference between exponential and square law functions. However, the design, we can we can control the value of output current by comparing or by comparing the value of W by L ratio. मतलब जो उसका width है और जो length का रेशियो है, ये dimensions जो है we can control the value of current, value of output current, id current. We can control the value of output current with value of W by L ratio. This is the ideal graph for output current with input voltage. I am taking your attendance. Just wait for a minute, then we will conclude our class. Okay, this is the graph for the output current with respect to input current. We will see tomorrow MOSFET as an active resistor. Today is your test. I am sending link on WhatsApp also. आज शाम तक तुमको वो टेस्ट कंपलसरी सबको देना है, उसको 5 मार्क है एज अ टर्म वर्क. तो टेस्ट सबको अटेंड करना है. मैंने ऑलरेडी क्लासरूम में देखा है, सेंड कर दिया है. 10 अभी के 10 बजे से रात के 10 बजे तक लिंक शुरू रहेगा, तो तुम सबको वो सॉल्व करनी. और मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी अभी वो लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ. कंपलसरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट